Our next class begins. In our last class, I started with the introduction and the first two stanzas of the poem, The Ballad of Father Gilligan. The poem being a ballad, obviously tells a story. It is the story of Father Peter Gilligan. As we know, for some reason, perhaps due to an epidemic, the people of his parish were dying in large numbers. Many were already dead, and many more were lying on their deathbed. Being the priest, he needed to attend to the dying people. Working day and night, he was very tired and exhausted. One day, as he returned at the moth hour home in the evening and sat on in a chair for rest, another poor man sent for him. Poor man here refers to another sick man, and sick man who is on his deathbed and who wanted to see the priest before his death. The tired priest began to grieve. This is the first part of the poem. Let me repeat. In our last class, I started with the introduction and the first two stanzas of the poem of The Ballad of Father Gilligan. The poem, being a ballad, obviously tells a story. It is the story of Father Peter Gilligan. As we know, for some reason, perhaps due to some epidemic, the people of his parish were dying in large numbers. In their sickness they were dying. And many were dead, and many more were lying on their deathbed. Being the priest, he needed to attend to the dying people. He needed to go to them, to pray for them before their death so that they can die peacefully. That was his duty, and he was doing his duty, attending to the dying people. Working day and night, because so many people were dying, he had to work day and night, and as a result he was very tired, he was exhausted. Now the story begins. One day, as he returned home in the moth hour, that is, it was not the evening, it was the moth hour. He returned in the moth hour, that is before the evening, and sat in a chair for rest. Just at that time, another poor man sent for him, wanted him to go and pray for him. Another poor man here refers to another sick man who was on his deathbed and who wanted to see the priest before death. The tired priest began to grieve. Began to grieve means to express his sorrow. He was very unhappy. He felt unhappy, tired, and just at that time when someone wanted to see him, he began to express his sorrow. And then the next part begins. So when he began to grieve, in his grief, what he said? I have no rest, nor joy, nor peace, for people die and die. I have no rest, nor joy, nor peace, because people die and die. And then suddenly he realized what he is saying. His duty is, he is doing his duty. He cannot express his sorrow at doing his duty. He suddenly became conscious that he felt as if he has done a crime. So he said, and after cried he, God forgive, my body spake, not I. Immediately he said, Oh God, please forgive me. It is my body that spake, means spoke. My body spoke. My body is tired. My body is reluctant, unwilling to take any more burden. Not I. I am still ready to do my duty. My duty to man is my duty to God. I am still ready to do my duty. But my body is not giving me support. He knelt and leaning on the chair, he prayed and fell asleep. So what he said? What he did? He was sad. He wanted forgiveness. He begged for forgiveness to God. So he knelt down and leaning on the chair. Auji padiba. So, leaning on the chair, he prayed. And as he was praying for his own mistake, he was praying God, he was asking forgiveness, he was praying for himself, he was praying, asking for forgiveness. And as he was praying, he fell asleep. And he fell asleep so deeply. The moth hour went from the fields, and stars began to peep. The moth hour was gone. He fell asleep deeply. He could not realize, he didn't know. Unknowingly, he fell asleep. And as he was sleeping, the moth hour was gone. The evening was gone. The evening started coming. The evening started coming. That means the stars began to peep. The stars began to peep means the evening came. So he slept for a long time unknowingly. And why at what time he slept? Just as he was praying and asking for forgiveness to God. And why he was asking for forgiveness? Because he sowed his grief at doing his job. So he said, no, it is my duty. I am doing my duty for God. And if I showed my reluctance, unwillingness, I showed my, I did a crime. I committed a crime. And for that crime, he asked for forgiveness to God. This is the next two stanzas. Okay. Until then, bye.